Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 16 power 3 by 4 times 4 power 1 by 2 by 8 power 5 by 3 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 16 we can write it as 2 power 4 whole power 3 by 4 times 4 we can write it as 2 square whole power 1 by 2. Similarly, in denominator 8, we can write it as 2 power 3 whole power 5 by 3. So according to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn. So I'm going to use this rule here. So 2 power 4 times 3 by 4 times 2 power 2 times 1 by 2, in denominator 2 power 3 times 5 by 3. Now we can cancel out the terms 4 with 4, 2 with 2 and here 3 with 3. So what is left? 2 power 3 times 2 power 1 by 2 power 5. Now exponent rule x power m times x power n, we can write x power m plus n. So it becomes 2 power 3 plus 1 by 2 power 5, which is equals to 2 power 4 by 2 power 5. Exponent quotient rule is x power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So 2 power 4 minus 5, that is 2 power minus 1 or 1 by 2. So this is our final answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.